The Technical Services window provides technical support and assistance to faculty and students with any issues involving film, television, audio equipment, and editing software. These resources are available to all registered students of William Paterson University Communication Department who are currently enrolled in the production course that requires the use of equipment. A valid William Paterson University student ID is mandatory to sign out equipment or editing suites. In order for students to be eligible to borrow production equipment for class-related assignments, a student is required to fill out a TSW agreement form and pass the competency tests for specified equipment. Each class is authorized to use certain equipment and editing software based on course requirements. Competency tests cover the basic functionalities of the available production equipment and editing software, and once a student passes, they are permitted to borrow the equipment outside of class time. It is possible for students to review before taking the competency tests by reviewing our study guides available on our website, watching our videos on our YouTube channel, or by coming to the window where a technical consultant will review with you firsthand. One camera may be checked out at a time. For more information on policies, equipment, competency test study guides and videos, and general FAQs, please visit www.wpunj.edu/TSW. For further questions or concerns, please call or email the provided information on your screen. Join us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube for additional updates throughout the semester. See you at the window.